Hey. Welcome to my 12 Days of Christmas series where I'll be doing some nice, sweet, Christmassy makeup looks just for you. And remember, I'm only doing easy makeup, intermediate makeup because, we are all learning over here. As you know, I just did my Spooktober series. So it's the festivities, and I'm going to jump right into the festivities, of course. But I know it says 12 days of Christmas, but I won't be doing 12 days of Christmas because I want to ensure that I don't burn myself out. So I'll giving you guys one look per week, starting with this one. So this is part one, and we gradually go from there. Maybe next year I'll be doing 2 looks per week, but for now, just so I don't burn myself out. Okay, guys? So, yes. And if you want to stay up to date with me and little things like that, you can head over to my Instagram channel and join me over there. The link is down below. And if you would love to contribute, love to donate, or even join a membership, my Ko-fi page is live. That's where you go, donate, where I can buy more makeup products, buy more things to be creative with, to try. So yeah, that's where you go to donate it to me, donate to the cause, donate to that journey. Guys, I'm so excited. The first time doing anything like this. So we both are learning. So let's get right into that. Alrighty, guys. So this is the look that I have planned today. Take it in. It's really pretty, really nice. So I'm going to try my best to recreate that look. So welcome to part one of my 12 Days of Christmas series. this is the final look. Mm. This look is so pretty. This look is so pretty, guys. So this is the final look. Thank you so much for sticking around with me. Thank you so much for enjoying this video because I know you did. I did. So I know you did. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below to tell me what you think about this look. Tell me what you think. I can't wait for part 2, guys. Part 2. And if you're new here, I'm Ashara. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can be notified of new and upcoming videos. I will see you next time. Bye.